Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Google Chrome on HP AIO. And to do this you will need to open Microsoft Edge, as that's the first browser that is installed by default on this device. Now in a search enter Google Chrome. Now sadly it will be bound to your region, so in my case it's in Polish, but the install buttons are placed in the same way, so just follow where I'm clicking. So open the Google website, make sure to download it from official Google website and not from anything else. Then select download Chrome. Open the file of Chrome setup when it's finished. Then allow to the administrator privileges. Now it will download, and when it's finished you can begin browsing and customizing your browser, and also you can set it as a default browser by going to your settings, locating the apps, setting default apps and web browser as your Google Chrome. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.